You ready?
Oh, yeah.
What are you ready for?
Well, today we are gonna be doing multiplying decimals. Decimals.
Are you trying to echo your own voice?
Yeah, did it work?
I don't know, but it was a good try. So yeah, we are doing decimals today, multiplying decimals. Are you excited?
Oh, yeah, I really struggle with this.
I I know you struggle with, which is good. I'm glad you admitted that you need some help. So we're here to give it a shot. We're here to see if I can teach you. See if you can become an expert at the end of this, and see if you guys watching can become an expert too.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? And like the video, okay?
Okay, buddy, it's okay. If they don't want to subscribe, they don't have to. As long as they're learning, I'm cool with it.
Really?
I, I'm. That's my goal. Is kids to learn.
Oh, that's so cool.
I guess so. All right, Tommy. So we're going to start with something super simple, so that I can teach you how multiplying decimals works. Okay. We're going to start with multiplying by one.
Wait, one?
Yeah, one. I want to do 3 times 1 real quick. Tell me what's 3 times 1?
Uh, is this a trick question?
No, it's not a trick question. Just trust me. What's 3 times 1?
Well, three.
Yeah, it's 3. And what is 14 times 1?
Are you sure you're not trying to trick me? Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure. What is it?
14.
Exactly 14. Because 1 times any number is just itself. Correct?
Yeah. Why are you starting so easy?
Because I'm trying to show you how this easy goes. I'm trying to show you exactly like how multiplying decimals is actually pretty easy.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
So now I'm going to do something tricky. Don't panic. What if I did 3.3 times 1?
Oh no. You put a decimal there.
I did put a decimal there. But what do we just say? 1 times any number is just
Itself?
exactly itself. So what is 1 times 3.3?
3.3?
Exactly 3.3. Stick with me.
Uh, 0.79.
0.79, or if you were really trying to get sophisticated, that's 79 hundredths.
Oh, yeah, 79 hundredths.
Exactly. And that's because 1 times any number is itself. But let's go through the process, Tommy, of doing the multiplication like you would normally do and ignore the decimal for just a second, okay?
Okay, go ahead.
So let's do 0.85 or 85 hundredths times 1 real quick. Now, normally, what would you do?
1 times 5.
Yeah? And then what?
1 times 8.
Good. So that would be.
Wait, 85? Hold on. That's. Oh, now I'm confused.
Don't be confused, Tommy. Don't give up. It's okay. Think about this. Pretend you didn't see this answer for just a second, okay? What is 0.85 times 1?
0.85.
Exactly 0.85. So what's the problem? What do we need to do?
Well, I don't know.
Let me show you. In this number, right? This right here, here's where the decimal is. You'll notice there are two place values or numbers right after that decimal, correct?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. So, because there are two, that means we have to move our decimal twice.
Oh, okay.
So, I want you to think about this for a second. If I gave you the number 85, where's the decimal at in that number?
There isn't one.
You're right, there isn't one. But if there was one, we'll pretend it's money.
Oh, I like money.
I know you like money. So we'll pretend this is $85. And I told you it's $85 and no cents.
Then I put 85.00.
Exactly. So $85 no cents, right? Notice, where's the decimal?
Right after the 5 or the 1's place?
Yeah, the ones place, exactly. So it's right here. Now, keep in mind, even if I had 85 by itself, are these different?
No, they're the same.
They are the same, exactly. So if I had a number like 4, where's the decimal go?
Oh, to the right.
Exactly. If I had a number like 3,756.
all the way to the right after the ones place.
Exactly. Okay, so that's where that decimal is. But mathematicians, newsflash, they're kind of lazy. So we don't want to put that decimal there. There's no reason to.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So with that in mind, going back to this problem right here, where would my decimal be?
To the right all the way.
Exactly. So, but if you remember, we talked about up here, there's two numbers after the decimal. So that means we have to move it twice the opposite direction. So notice this way we moved it twice to the right. So now we're going to move it twice to the
left.
Exactly. So 1, 2, that new number becomes 0.85, just like you said it was.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, so that's why I used 1 to kind of show you how that works. Okay, but the same thing applies when we look at other numbers. Here's what I mean by that. If I got something like 4.75 and I multiplied it by 2.3.
Hey, you didn't line up the decimals.
See, in math, in multiplication, you don't have to line up the decimals. You only do that in addition and subtraction.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just going to do my regular multiplication. All right, so this is 5 times, where do I start?
3 times 5.
3 times 5, which is 15. Carry my 1. 21, 2, carry my 2. 12, 2, is 14. Right, I'm moving from this place value into the next one. So I'm going to add a placeholder 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry my 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. And then 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Now I'm going to add these. Now keep in mind, Tommy, we just talked about where my decimal point is in this hidden one.
All the way to the right.
Exactly, all the way to the right. So we're going to put that all the way to the right in right here, okay? But we're not done with the problem, right? Because we have to remember, we have to move that decimal. And here's how I would look at this. This is just kind of using your brain for just a second. This is 4.75. If we were talking about money, and that's $4.75, that's really close to about what?
$5?
Exactly, $5. This is $2.30. That's really close to about what?
2?
What is 5 times 2?
10.
Okay, right now we have the number 10,925. Is that close?
Oh, no.
Exactly. So here's where we have to get into the whole moving thing. How many numbers are after this decimal point? To the right of it, not to the left of it.
2?
Exactly. 2. So is that how many times we move the decimal at the end?
Yeah.
No, and see, this is what's tricky, because there's also numbers after this part of the decimal.
Oh, I see that.
So now you have to move it how many times?
3.
Exactly. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to move it 3 times. 1,
2, 3.
There's my new number. 10.925. And you told me that this is really close to 5 times 2, which is 10. Isn't 10.925 close?
Oh, yeah, that makes so much sense. Can we do one more?
Sure, we'll do one more. All right, let's do, give me a number.
Let's see. 16.978.
Okay, 0.978 times what?
0.562.
0.562. Perfect. All right, so rather than multiplying this all out, the key to this is moving decimals at the end, because really it's just multiplication, right?
Yeah.
So I just want to know, at the end, when you have some number, right here at the end, and you have a decimal place, just like that, right? I want to know how many times am I going to move the decimal at the end.
Let's see. There's 3 on top.
Okay.
And 3 on the bottom.
So that's how many?
6.
Okay, so I would move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's sloppy.
I know it's sloppy, but we move it 6 times, and that would be our new number. Let's do one more.
Okay, I got this.
All right, let's do 0.03492 times 2.3. How many times am I going to move that decimal at the end, Tommy?
Let's see. So, 1, 2, 3.
Let me do that for you.
Yes, please.
How many?
6.
It's 6, exactly. Does that help, Tommy?
Oh, man, that makes it so much easier. Yeah, I like that.
All right. So hopefully that helps, guys.
I think it helps.
Hopefully it helps you guys just like it helped Tommy. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. But multiplying decimals is actually pretty easy as long as you keep in mind numbers after the decimal. Right, Tommy?
Yeah, and multiplying.
And and multiply. This is true. Good call, Tommy. So again, if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you have some ideas for some videos that you guys would want some help for, ask, because I know Tommy's been asking. Tommy asked about this.
Yeah, because this is hard. So if you get it, you're awesome. Shh. Why are you shushing me?
Just, can we finish the video?
Oh, yeah. See you guys later.